This is code.org. Let's see what we have here. AP reference sheet. The AP reference sheet shows how conditional type questions will be represented in an exam. Read through these sections of reference sheet, answer the questions below. Make sure you understand, guys, what the AP exam is going to look like when we're talking about if statements. I really want to hit upon they're not, evaluate to true if the condition is false. That's how not is going to be represented often. Also, I want to hit upon this format of the if block. So when you're looking at an exam and you think, wait a minute, if with a circle, what's the circle mean? The circle is the condition. You really want to be able to read their notation, their writing of this stuff, so you can get the questions right. Because if you can't, you might know the material, but not understand what they're attempting to say. All right, the program below asks the user to type in a number and will output a message. What number will a user need to input for the message cold to be displayed? So what do we got to type in for cold to appear? All right, so first off, we have if the number is greater than or equal to 10. Where is cold, by the way? Let's see here. Cold is here, okay? So that's my else. Now I want to pay attention to brackets. This if statement bracket starts here, and it goes all the way down here, right? Because this is a block, right? These are in line, this if statement, and then as an else statement, these are in line. So if else. So if the number is greater than or equal to 10. If it's greater than or equal to 10, we could get it to say medium or hot, but we don't. We want it to say cold. Oh, okay, so I think anything under 10, right? If the number is less than 10, we should be good to go. Can't be equal to, it's greater than or equal to. So as long as this is false, and this would be false if we're a number under 10 and not equal to it. Cool. Onward.